Hi, it's Daya with WTI, and this is Comgrow 3D printer enclosure. It's big enough even to fit a person inside, but that's not what it's for. It's for keeping your 3D printer's temperature and fumes inside. It ensures your print results are always good, and with this handy window, you can always look at your prints, how they are developing. It's a very handy hole on the back where you can get your wires from. And the holes on the sides are for fans. If you have fans, you can install the fans on both sides. And it's easily closed and opened with Velcro. Also, on the other side, you can find pockets for tools. And what I love the most about this hood is not just the protection it gives from dust and stuff, but the fact that everything stays equally warm. And that ensures you better results on your prints, but also makes sure that everything stays the same temperature. And this also saves energy because you can use lower temperature for your prints because all the warmth is evenly distributed inside of it. And that, of course, is just my point of view.